If you're looking for an indoor training app, two of the most popular choices are Kinomap and ROUVY. Both let you ride real-world routes from home, connect to smart trainers, and track your fitness progress. But they offer very different experiences. So, which one is the better choice in 2026? In this comparison, we'll look at the features, strengths, and weaknesses of both platforms to help you decide which one best fits your training goals. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Kinomap. Kinomap is known for its huge library of real-world videos recorded by users from around the globe. Whether you're cycling, running, rowing, or using an elliptical machine, you can train on thousands of scenic routes while your equipment automatically adjusts to the terrain when supported. Kinomap also supports multiple fitness equipment types, making it one of the most versatile indoor fitness apps available. One of Kinomap's biggest advantages is variety. The platform isn't limited to cycling. It supports treadmills, rowing machines, exercise bikes, home trainers, and ellipticals, making it a great option for users who enjoy different types of workouts instead of focusing on a single sport. Now, let's look at ROUVY. ROUVY focuses primarily on cycling and delivers a highly realistic riding experience using real-world video combined with augmented reality. Your avatar rides directly on actual roads, creating an immersive simulation that closely matches outdoor cycling. The platform also includes structured training plans, events, performance analysis, and compatibility with most smart trainers. One of ROUVY's biggest strengths is realism. Many cyclists choose ROUVY because it accurately simulates famous climbs, real road gradients, and outdoor riding conditions. It's especially popular among endurance athletes and triathletes preparing for real-world events. Both apps support Bluetooth and ANT+ compatible devices and work on computers, smartphones, tablets, and many smart TVs. However, ROUVY generally offers more advanced cycling analytics and structured training tools, while Kinomap provides greater flexibility for users who own different types of exercise equipment. Another difference is the free experience. Kinomap offers a 14-day free trial and continues with a limited free mode after the trial ends. ROUVY also provides a free trial, but most of its premium features require an active subscription. So, which app offers the better indoor training experience? If you're mainly a cyclist looking for realistic road simulations, advanced training plans, and performance-focused features, ROUVY is probably the better choice. If you enjoy multiple types of cardio workouts, want access to a massive library of user-generated scenic routes, or own different fitness machines, Kinomap offers outstanding value and flexibility. Ultimately, the best app depends on your fitness goals, the equipment you own, and the type of training experience you're looking for. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting us know which app you prefer for indoor training.